Hello, everybody. Welcome to Smart Manufacturing Day, a virtual conference put on by Embedded Computer Design. We're very excited about this event. We have assembled some of the industry's leading experts, and that includes Michael Rada, who you'll hear from shortly. Michael is deeply involved in the Industry 4.0 and 5.0 specifications.
I am really looking forward to share with everyone the view of a man who started his career as a steel factory worker, so more than 30 years ago. And today you will find only one title on my business card. It's generally human. And at the same time, I'm the founder of Industry 5.0. So before we start, let me ask you one question.